Welcome to AimBetter Academy. With AimBetter, you'll find the root causes for performance issues in a fast and easy way. This video will explain the Queries tab. The Queries tab is the third in the main menu, which provides rich information on what's been running on the database server. The first Queries view is Live, in which you'll see all the queries longer than 3 seconds that are running at this moment on the selected servers. The second Queries view, History, displays in the same way, queries longer than 3 seconds running over a certain period of time. On the upper side of the Queries board, there are filters you can apply to see only the queries that have some specific condition. You may choose to filter the blocked queries, those with missing indexes, those that run more than some selected time, and more. Let's choose, for example, the blocked session filter. Apply this filter and see only queries that are blocking other queries. Clicking on the arrow beside the blocking query, you can see the blocked queries and identify all the affected logins. Each query can be clicked to see more information about it. In the same way, you can click on any of the blocked queries. You can see the selected query's code in the lower part. In the lower right side, you may get many details on the query, including resource usage like CPU, memory, tempDB, and more. Some queries have alerts with information about critical resource usage like low memory free. In this other example, we applied the Plan Improve filter to see queries with plan improvement recommendations. Here we see that there are two icons, one related to plan improvement recommendations and the second indicating missing indexed. See the recommended improvement and download the original plan for evaluation. The last query subtab is the Queue Analyze. Here you'll get an overview on the resources utilization by each query running on the database server. Click on a query and see its code. Plan changes and performance over a period of time. To change the period, go to the calendar on the upper right-hand side. You can also compare two different periods. Thank you for watching. We hope you've got all the information you were looking for. Please check our YouTube channel or website aimbetter.com for more information.